No, no.
No, sir.
Any problem in objectives?
No, sir.
Scientific reasons. Question number. Note down the first question. Scientific reason. The stainless steel vessel in kitchen have copper coating on the bottom. Note down the question first. Take down the question. I will give the answer. Take down the question. Give reason. Note down the question first.
Which book writing?
Give reason. Right, first question. The stainless steel vessels. The stainless steel vessels in kitchen have copper coating on the bottom. Copper coating on the bottom. Copper coating on the bottom. Note down that answer first. For give reason. All of you ready for the answer? All of you ready for the answer? Take this. Write the answer. The stainless steel stainless steel stainless steel is an alloy of iron with carbon, chromium, and nickel. Full stop. The conductivity of copper is higher than iron in steel. Full stop. Copper hits COPPER. Copper hits uniformly 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 and faster. uniformly and faster. Full stop. The time for cooking is reduced. Time for cooking is reduced and fuel is saved. F-U-E-L. Fuel is saved. Okay, this is the answer for first give reason. Note down second one now. Second question.
Yes, sir.
Copper and brass vessels are clean with lemon. Copper and brass vessels are clean with lemon. Second, copper and brass vessels are clean with lemon. Copper and glass vessels are clean with lemon.
In with lemon.
Note down the answer.
Yes, sir.
Copper undergoes oxidation. Copper undergoes oxidation. To form black copper oxide. To form black copper oxide. Black copper oxide. Full stop. This oxide reacts with carbon dioxide. Reacts with carbon dioxide to form a green coating. To form a green coating called copper carbonate. Called copper carbonate. C-A-R-B-O-N-A-T-E. Copper carbonate. Full stop.
Yes, sir.
Full stop. Lemon contains acid which dissolve the green coating on the surface of copper. On the surface of copper and brass vessel. Copper and brass vessel. Therefore, it shines. Therefore, it shines. Now tell me the other questions which you have problem. Tell me the other questions. Read the remaining questions now one by one and tell me the answers. Any problem in remaining questions? Read one by one and then ask to me, okay? Come that question, next question after the give reason, answer the following. Answer the following. What is done to prevent corrosion of coating, corrosion of metals? We have written that point C. You will get this answer on page number 52 on right hand side, second paragraph. On second paragraph. Is it clear? Page number 52,
Yes, sir.
right hand side,
Yes,
second paragraph. Then second C, B. What are the metals that makes alloy, brass and bronze? See the alloys on the same page in the last paragraph. Same page in the last paragraph. Effects of corrosion. Effects of corrosion. On the same page, in same paragraph. Right hand side, second paragraph.
yes,
And the last one, uses of noble metals on same page, left hand side, heading is given C, uses of noble metals. Uses of noble metals. Now rather than this, if any problem you have, you can ask me. Or we can turn towards the next one. Any problem now in any other question?
no, sir.
No, no.
No, sir.
Hmm.
No, sir.
Remaining questions you can complete it.
No, sir.
Hmm. See that question number.
Question
See the question number 5. Question number 5.
5.
Note down the number A. Why the nail in the test tube second is not rusted? Who will tell the answer? Note down the question. I will tell the answer. Note down the question. Iron nail in test tube second. Why it not rusted? Write the answer. Write the answer. In test tube 2, oil is present. Oil is present. Full stop. It prevented oxidation of nail. Oxidation of nail. It prevented oxidation of nail. Why? Because oil is present. Because oil is present. Write down second question. Second question now. Second question. In test tube 1. In test tube 1. Why is the nail in the test tube 1 is rusted highly? Simple answer. Nail in this test tube comes contact with the water and air. Nail in the test tube 1 comes in contact with water and air. Therefore, oxidation is faster. Therefore, oxidation is faster. Oxidation is faster. Now down third one. Number third. Would the nail in the test tube 3 get rusted? Will the nail in the test tube 3 get rusted?
Yes.
Note down the question, find out the answer, I will tell you.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Right answer.
Yes. Yes.
Right answer.
Answer is yes.
There is no change in test tube 3. No change in test tube 3 because calcium chloride. See the name given labeling for the test tube C. Because calcium chloride absorb moisture. Because calcium chloride absorb moisture and makes the air dry. Makes the air dry, which prevent rusting of nail. Which prevent rusting of nail. Prevents rusting of nail. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now any other question, read that remaining one and ask to me. You have to finish this. Then you go toward the next one. Just we will see the introduction part of the next topic. If you have no any problem. Open a new page of your notebook and write the heading of the next topic.
Yes, sir.
Pollution.
Pollution.
Pollution. Give the heading pollution. So observe the diagram number 8.1, page number 54, diagram number 1. Observe the 3 figures, various problems of environment, and solve the 2 questions given below it. Why this problem in environment may have been arise? What should be done to overcome this problem? First, you find out the reason, and second, what you will do to stop this. His answer will be open-ended. You have to write your own answers.
Yes, sir.
Given the heading, pollution.
Yes, sir.
Note down first question and find out the problems in given picture which rise the pollution one by one. Rise the pollution. Common answer C for these questions. I will read, you can just note down afterwards. In first picture see, water has been shown which is polluted. Why polluted? The factories which are near to this water leave their wastewater in this water. Their wastewater and other chemicals mix in this water. Therefore, this water get polluted. Observe second one now. Second picture see, their cars are there which are leaving the smoke. In third picture also smoke is there coming out from factories. From these pictures what we can say, that see, responsibility of the environment protection by the rule, by the industries, by the vehicle is not followed, and there is no any protection. No any protection. Okay. Can you write now the answer yourself? Boys? Can you write the answer for first question? Okay. Tell me the answer for second question. What should be done to overcome this? You note down this answer for second question. I will tell you. Write second question. What should be done to overcome this problem? Write this first one. To control all the pollution in the given figures, to control all the pollution in the given figures, is most important. Is most important. Full stop. Due to only economic development, due to only economic development, due to only economic development, pollution is increasing. Pollution is increasing to the dangerous level. Pollution is increasing to the dangerous level. Finish? Now from this we have to make the definition of pollution. Definition of pollution. Give the heading now, only pollution. Note down the definition given on the same page. See, contamination of natural environment that will be harmful to ecosystem is called as. Very good. Note down that. Note down in your book with correct spellings. Note down it. The contamination. Write correct spelling. The contamination. the contamination, contamination, contamination of natural environment, of natural environment, that will be harmful, that will be harmful to ecosystem, harmful to ecosystem, harmful to ecosystem is called pollution. Now come under that two questions given in can you tell? Note down the first one. Where do you see the pollution around you? How does pollution occurs? These are your own questions. Wherever you are living, find out where you observe the pollution around your house and why it occurs. You have to note down your own answers. Are you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Next two questions you note down. Find out the where you see the pollution around you.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.